Finally, the Karnataka Mysuru cluster story has now been solved by authorities. Minister Sudhakar has informed that the virus spread in Nanjangud cluster because of one person was not the Chinese consignment, but it was the person himself who had visited China, interacted with several Chinese nationals, and then got back. The pharmaceutical company is said to have withheld this information, but here are authorities who finally managed to crack this mystery there. The Nanjangud cluster finally unfolds. Here is information coming in from Karnataka Minister himself, Sudhakar, who speaks about how that particular employee himself had visited China, interacted with several Chinese officials, and then came back, infecting several others in his pharmaceutical company. So the speculation over the consignment from China spreading the virus has now finally been put to rest.
Initially, with the help of the Home Department, we were trying to track it, but as we were not getting initially the reason for it, we predicted that there could be some material which is all coming from China, like one of the powders they were getting, and they were getting also a gel which was completely chilled in a container, and it used to be, they used to get it. So we were suspecting on this gel and the powder. So in fact we had sent this gel to NIV and ICMR, but by then the Home Department could crack it, and they said that this 0 person who was infected in this industry had a contact with a Chinese person.
In Mysore?
Not in Mysore. He had been to China and he had come.
Okay, so he had international travel.
Yes, he had an international travel connection with the Chinese person. So that is how we are, to that extent we are relieved that we know the reason for this.
Right, finally, we do know that it's not the Chinese consignment that came in tons into the pharmaceutical company just earlier March. It is the man himself, the employee who visited China, came back, bringing back the virus to several of the employees there. Let's go over to Nagarjun joining us from Bengaluru. Nagarjun, please give us some details about this particular person, employee who went to China, came back, hid his travel history, and then the pharmaceutical company did not divulge any details. That's grave violation of the norms that were put in place for people to, in fact, reveal their travel history so that we could curb the spread of the virus. What really happened here?
Well, that's true, Nabila. In fact, since few weeks, the government here in Karnataka didn't know as to why did this person get this virus, and because of him, there were at least 30-40 people who have been tested positive, both primary and secondary contacts, and around 800 people in the pharmaceutical industry have been quarantined in Nanjangud, and the whole taluk has been sealed off because of the patient, 50 to 1 patient. And everyone thought it's from the consignment that they received. They received gel and powder on regular basis from China, and they sent these consignment to National Institute of Virology, thinking that this had virus and the person had come in touch with the consignment and then he transmitted to others. But now the Home Department has finally cracked the case that this person, the first person in this Nanjangud pharmaceutical industry, had international travel history, and he had gone to China and he had hid it. Finally, some big revelation that Karnataka government has made through.
Absolutely unfortunate. Will the government clamp down on the pharmaceutical company? Will there be action taken? Have they mentioned?
Well, that's the big question. At this point of time, they have not mentioned anything. Their first priority is to tackle this crisis that they have in their hands, to make sure that everyone is quarantined. It's not a mystery anymore. So that way, the small battle is won. The next big question is, what action will they take against this pharmaceutical company and the employee and as well as the owner?
Right. Nagarjun, thank you very much for joining us with those details.